Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about the data handling part 1. Most important topic you will find in you are learning data handling from 6th class maybe, okay. So we will go for the basic concept of data handling today. Now first we will learn what is data and we will learn about the types of data. First, data, the information collected by observation, questioning or in measuring. The information which is collected by observing, which we will observe, and what the question we will put in front of others, okay, questioning and or measuring or by measuring. Example, if I want to know the total number of student in my class, okay, it is a kind of data, okay. If I am collecting the information about a particular topic, it is information. Or police, they used to do investigation, they will collect the data, So what is data? The information collected by observing, questioning or measuring is called as data. The data has been classified into two types, that is primary data and secondary data. What is primary data? The information collected by himself or herself. Example, number of books in my bag. Now, the information which is collected by yourself. Example, you know how many brothers, how many sisters you have, okay. So you can give the information without doing investigation. You will do investigation by yourself. You will not take anyone's help. Now, if I ask you number of books in your bag, you know it, you will say, okay. Now, if I ask you how many subjects do you have, you will give the information. That means it is primary data. The information which is collected without taking other help is called as primary data. Okay. Now secondary data, the information collected by investigation from other sources. Example, total number of students in India. We don't know. We will gather the information about it. Okay. Maybe you will go for the internet. Is it not? And what is happening in Hyderabad or China, whatever it may be, you will gather the information either from the newspapers or from the news. Is it not? Okay. Now, number of people in your town, you will gather the information from other source, is called as secondary data. Now, what is primary data? The information which is gathered by yourself without taking anyone help is called as primary data. What is secondary data? The information which is collected from the other source is called as secondary data. Okay. Here I have example. I have given an example of number of students in India. We don't know how many number of students in India. So we will gather the information either from the net, okay, or from the other source. But it is not possible that you will find it. Okay. You have to go for the other source. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.